Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. We buy cans of diced or crushed tomatoes, but if we think about it, it takes 15 minutes to make them from scratch. Plus, they're much fresher. The terminology in French is Tomates Concassées. So my friends, let's get cooking. Without going into details, because there's a full episode on it, we'll blanch our tomatoes. If you missed it or are not sure how to blanch them, click on the top right corner of your screen to view it. After a few minutes sitting in the ice water bath to stop the cooking process, we'll peel off the skin. As they were at first in boiling water, then plunged in ice water, it's very easy to remove the skin, and we'll end up with a naked tomato. From here, there are two ways to process them. Either we crush them by hand, so it's wise to do it in a bowl sitting in your sink. The other way is to cut them in half and remove the seeds. We can cut around with a knife or use a serrated grapefruit spoon, whichever you feel more comfortable with. After the seeds are all removed and discarded, we'll chop the tomatoes or dice them depending on our recipe. And this is how to do Tomates Concassées. As you saw in this video, this is super easy to make and you can have a fresh batch whenever you need it. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day. And for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!